Welcome back, everyone. I'm now going to do part B in this question. Remember this one with $100 each year. In part A, the first payment now. In part B, the first payment is 1 year from now. Do you see the difference between the two diagrams? This does not include the $100 now. I'm going to first solve it the easy way. The easy way is everything here is the same except for this. What's the present value of $100 now? It's $100. So everything other than this $100 must be $100 less. So I'm sure the answer will be $2,500. But anyway, let's do it using a formula to show that the formulas work. What this is worth, it's 100 divided by 1.04. That term divided by 1.04. That's because that one is going back 2 years. And I'll just do one more here. Cubed plus carrying on forever. See, this one goes back 3 years. So now we have a geometric series that's infinite. And once again, we're going to use a over 1 minus r. The only difference is, in this case, the a is 100 divided by 1.04, and we're dividing by 1.04. The r that we multiply by each time is 1 over 1.04. And in your calculator, it might be easier if you put that in a bracket. It might be easier if you put that in a bracket. And we calculate that with a calculator, and you should find 2,500. And of course, if you understood that concept, it would be quicker. Thank you all for watching.